Hello little buddies, this is Frozendoll here. Today is a special day. I have finished reading 50 books. I hope you all enjoyed listening to me. So to celebrate this special day, I thought of making something for you. Yes, it's going to be a yummy milkshake of Elsa. For that, I have some ice cream here. So this is the color of Elsa. It's pistachio ice cream. And I have some milk cubes. And I have some milk here. So the milk cubes are going to give the milkshake a thicker texture. And then I have some sugar and I have some blue color sand sugar, which is going to give it a deeper color. And I have the whipped cream, which will go on top of the milkshake. And then I have caramel. This is going to be on the top. And I have some cornflakes here. So if you don't like cornflakes, you can use any nuts or dry fruits on the top of the milkshake. So now we are going to start making the milkshake. So I have this mixer jar here. I'm going to scoop out 3 scoops of the ice cream into that one. So that is the first scoop here. It's always good to take a nice big scoop. And then one more scoop. Okay, we have 3 big scoops of. And now I'm going to add the milk cubes. So we have 2 of the milk cubes that go in there. And I'm going to pour about half of this milk in this cup. So I'm going to add 1 spoon of sugar. So you can add sugar according to how much sweet you want it to be. And I'm going to add a spoon of blue sand sugar. So this is going to give sweetness and maybe a little more and a little bit of nice color to it. Okay, so I have added the sugar as well. So it will give a nice blue color, but it's not actually required, only if you want to. If you get a thicker ice cream with a thicker color, then that itself will bring the color of Elsa out. Okay, so now this is ready, and let's put this onto the blender. Okay, so now we have the glass here into which we are going to pour the Elsa milkshake. So I have made a little decoration for this glass here. So I have, you can see it here, I have put the blue sand sugar on the sides, and it's going to make the glass look more like the Elsa color. Okay, so let's pour the milkshake into this beautiful glass here. So that's blended really well, and the color is almost in there. Okay, now on the top I'm going to put some whipped cream. That looks really beautiful. And I'm sure it's going to be so yummy when you have it, so. And then on the top goes some cornflakes. Wow, that gives the hair color almost. And let's pour some caramel. Okay, and the blue straw. So look at that. That is the Elsa milkshake that I have made for my little buddies there. So this is going to be a very yummy milkshake with the ice cream and the pistachio ice cream actually, and the whipped cream and caramel and the cornflakes. So next I'm going to read a Frozen book for my little buddies there. So watch out for the video, listen to the Frozen book and enjoy this milkshake. Have lots of fun, my little buddies there. See you soon again.